Welcome to Engine Clinic. If your car shows P0442 EVAP System Leak Detected, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it step by step. P0442 means your vehicle detected a small leak in the EVAP system. This system stores fuel vapors and prevents them from escaping into the air. P0442 shown a small EVAP leak. Fuel vapor leak detected. Even a very small leak can trigger the check engine light. The most common symptoms of P0442 include, in many cases, check engine light, fuel smell, poor fuel economy, emission test failure. You may not feel driving problems, only the warning light appears. The most common causes of P0442 are loose gas cap, cracked EVAP hose, faulty purge valve, bad vent valve, charcoal canister leak. In most cases, a loose or damaged gas cap is the main cause. First, check the gas cap. Make sure it is tight and the rubber seal is not damaged. If the cap is cracked or worn, replace it. Next, inspect EVAP hoses for cracks, leaks, or loose connections. If hoses are good, check the purge valve. A faulty purge valve can cause vacuum leaks. If you still cannot find the leak, perform a smoke test. This helps locate even the smallest leaks. After fixing the problem, clear the code using an OBD2 scanner and drive the car for a few days. Always tighten the gas cap properly after refueling. This simple step can prevent future EVAP leaks. This is Engine Clinic, helping you fix engine problems step by step. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below which engine code you want me to cover next.